Day 59 from 0 to WordPress Hero end of the year challenge. And today we're talking about the PayPal payments method and how we can install the payment method on our WordPress website in order for us to be able to get payment through PayPal. So PayPal doesn't work in Nigeria. So if you're trying to offer a service out of Nigeria, then PayPal is an option you can consider. Alright, so basically all you have to do is just to install it. Give it a minute to download, so you can click on complete setup. So in order to do this, also you also need to link it to the website, which is a problem that I can't do here because I'm using a local host. All right, this website is not hosted on a proper server. I'm using a local hosting. All right, so I can link it up to any payments method. All right, but I'm just gonna be putting us through theory aspect of how we can do it. So once you have installed it, all you have to do is activate PayPal payment. Then they will tell you the required details to put in there, and then you can get those required information from PayPal. You can get it from PayPal website or app, and you can also call them to provide the information for you, and they will provide it for you. So once you've collected all the informations, you can easily input it to the perfect place, and then once you are done, you activate it and you are good to go. All right, so automatically you'll be able to get payments through PayPal on the product you are selling on the website. All right, so this is for people who sell products outside of Nigeria or largely outside of Africa, because I'm not sure if PayPal works in other African countries, but it doesn't work in Nigeria. All right, so this is something you have to put in mind before you work on PayPal. And also the charges, PayPal also charge for the use. As you can see, they charge at least 4.99% of every payment that comes in. All right, so basically this is how PayPal works. And once you've activated it, you'll be able to use it properly, and it's also one of the fastest payment method that you can use. So this will be the end of the video. If you have any topic you'd like me to talk about, please drop in the comment section, and if you find the video interesting, don't forget to like and also subscribe. And I also just want to say this: I want to wish everybody compliment of the season. I sincerely and I pray that we all live to celebrate another year. Thank you for following this challenge from day one. This is uh this is one of the last videos I'll be making pertaining to this challenge. We are very close to the end, and I pray that the Lord will see us through. Thank you so much for the support and the engagement. This won't be possible without your support. Thank you so much, and I really appreciate every one of you. Thank you, and I wish us a happy and fantastic celebration. Thank you.